If you are renting a house in Nigeria, listen closely. Many landlords take advantage because tenants don't know the law. Today, I will show you 5 tenant rights your landlord may never tell you, backed by the Recovery of Premises Act and other Nigerian laws. Welcome to Street Law TV. Let's break it down. Right 1. Proper quit notice. Legal backing. Recovery of Premises Act Section 7, 8, and 9. The law requires a proper notice. Yearly rent equals 6 months quit notice. Monthly rent equals 1 month quit notice. Weekly rent equals 1 week quit notice. After that, landlord must issue a 7 days owner's intention to recover premises. No quit notice is a legal eviction. Even police cannot throw you out without a court order.
Right 2. Rent cannot increase without notice. Legal backing. Section 7 RPA. Reasonable notice. Case law. Ayenke v. Lawani, 2001. A landlord cannot suddenly increase your rent. They must give reasonable notice and you must agree. If you don't agree, they cannot force you. They must follow legal process, not intimidation. Right 3. Illegal lockouts, seizing property. Legal backing. Section 4 RPA. Eviction must follow due process. Section 44 of the 1999 Constitution protects property rights. Section 24 VAPA Act prohibits forceful eviction. A landlord cannot change your padlock, throw your things outside, remove your roof or windows, seize your property. All these are illegal. Only a court order can authorize eviction.
Right 4. Receipts and written agreements. Legal backing. Section 5(1) Lagos Tenancy Law 2011. Every tenant is entitled to a rent receipt, a written tenancy agreement, a clear breakdown of charges. If the landlord refuses to issue a receipt, they are violating your rights. Right 5. Repairs and damages. Legal backing. Section 6. Lagos Tenancy Law 2011. Common law principles on landlord repair obligations. You are not responsible for major structural repairs like roof repairs, old plumbing failures, cracked walls, or faulty wiring. The landlord must maintain the structure. You only handle minor damages you personally caused.
Don't let ignorance put you at risk. Save this video, share it with someone, and follow Street Law TV so you never face landlord problems blindly again.